Stop! One hailstorm can destroy your car overnight. If you're trusting cheap protection, you're risking thousands in repairs. That's why choosing the best car covers for hail is critical right now. Which covers actually absorb impact and which fail instantly? Stay with me to protect your car before the next storm hits. Let's start. Number 5. Coverado delivers the ultimate protection with its waterproof all-weather car cover, specifically designed for hail and harsh conditions. Featuring a soft cotton lining, durable 190T polyester exterior, and PU waterproof coating, it shields your car from UV, rain, snow, and dust. With windproof straps, reflective strips, and easy-access zipper doors, it ensures full coverage and convenience. Universal fit for SUVs and sedans. This cover combines durability, style, and complete protection. Number 4. Favoto Hail Protector Car Cover delivers ultimate protection for your sedan against hail, rain, snow, and UV rays. Crafted with thick silver XPE top material and durable Oxford sides, it ensures complete weather resistance. Featuring reflective stripes, ventilation holes, and a windproof design with elastic cords and straps, it fits sedans 177 to 193 inches. Lightweight, portable, and versatile, this cover combines durability, safety, and convenience. Truly a must-have for every car owner. Number 3. iautaxesoriz Hail Protector Car Cover delivers unmatched protection for your vehicle. Crafted from thickened 4mm EVA blended fabric, it shields cars from hailstones up to the size of a 5-cent coin, while reinforced Oxford cloth hems ensure durability and tear resistance. Vehicle-specific fit with elastic edges and windproof straps keeps it stable in storms. Full exterior coverage, UV protection, and all-weather resilience make it a must-have for safeguarding your car effortlessly. Number 2. SNKOL 7-layer heavy-duty car cover is the ultimate shield for your vehicle. Engineered with PE, PEVA, aluminum, soft cotton, and non-woven layers, it offers complete waterproof hail, UV, and snow protection. Features include mirror pockets, windproof straps, reflective strips, and a driver's side zipper for easy access. Universal fit SUVs 201 to 206 enjoy full coverage, safeguarding your car year-round. Durable, premium, and reliable. Perfect for peace of mind on any weather day. Number 1. WARSUN Airtight Hail Car Cover is a professional-grade, vehicle-specific anti-hail solution engineered for serious storm protection. Built with 420D Oxford cloth, a thickened real PVC airbag liner, and soft polyester backing, it delivers superior shock absorption, anti-UV, and water resistance. With inflatable cushioning, secure straps, reflective safety strips, and SUV to sedan fit, its biggest pros are impact defense and cost-saving hail damage prevention, making it a smart, confidence-driven investment for extreme weather.